Hey everybody, I got a package in the mail. Let's see what this is. I was a lucky winner 2 times on a YouTube channel. I believe it's called Colonial House Primitives. If I'm wrong, I'll put it down here, but I think that's, yeah, it's on the label here, Colonial House Primitives. So she is a new floss tuber. She does a lot of primitives and not just cross stitch, but other things as well. Her and her husband make things. I'm cutting the package open here. But her and her husband make things and sell them wholesale. And she shows you tutorials of how she makes different things. She also does Facebook Lives. And we're going to see in here what I got. She said she included some extra things, so I'm excited to see what's in here. And this is cool. That little enamel. I believe that is truly old and not a reproduction. I love that. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use it for, but I'm sure it will get used. And this looks like a little tart pan. That is not old. That's a cool little thing. What if it made a pin cushion in that shape? I wonder if that could be done. Tell me what you would use this for. It's pretty small. So post in the comments. Tell me what you would do with that. This, I'm thinking, let's see, it has a hanger, sawtooth hanger on the back. I think that's supposed to be a towel. I will probably take this off and definitely use this. This is actually a clothespin. Check that out. So I will probably put something else on there. I'm not sure yet what. Maybe something with cross stitch on it. So that is different. This I can definitely see using for a finish, either punch needle or cross stitch. It's like a little ladle. It's all wood. Get another one of these little tart pans. An old key. I think that one's a reproduction. Let's see there. It's like cast iron. Now she just literally loaded me up here. This is a little candle holder. That white wall behind me makes a great backdrop, doesn't it? I'm in an apartment and they won't let me paint the walls. Maybe that's a good thing. And this is wrapped up. More goodies. Here is some rusty wire. Can always use that. Oh, and a whole bunch of rusty stars. Let's see, that one is not, I can see these. So she sells these things. Let me just hold one here. You can see it's 3-dimensional. She sells these things. This one is black and then distressed. I can make it hold still. There. These are the Hearthside collection. I don't know if that's her business or not. But these are tiny, I'm not going to open it, but they're flat little rusty stars. Another black one. Some more of these. And these are little jingle bell balls. Little rusty. Can't see there. Oops. One came off. There. And there's a whole bunch in there. And one more thing. This is one of the things that I won in the giveaway. It is a pattern. You can see it is Snowman Trio Sock by American folk artist S. West. Place a piece of transfer paper over design, trace design. Let's see, trace pattern onto tea-dyed muslin with a permanent black marker and then back stitch. So this is a stitchery pattern, and it gives you colors on the back of what to do. And it is, I think it says Buttermilk Basin. Yeah, it's from Buttermilk Basin. So 2001, so that's an old pattern. So that is everything for my goodie box here, my Happy Mail. And I thank you to the Colonial Primitives. Check out her channel. I'll put the link to her channel down in the description box. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Totally free. Give me some ideas what you would do with all of these things and how would you use them. So put that in the comments. Bye, everybody. I think that's my favorite. Of everything in here, I think this is my favorite. See ya.